This is Tobi. He's snoring so loudly because it's his first night back after youth camp, and it was awesome. He's full of good memories and pumped from energetic sermons. Since Tobi really wants to get off to a good start, he has set his alarm clock for 4:30. But today he'll snooze a tad longer. After all, after youth camp you can sleep the sleep of a righteous. Oh, it's already 9 a.m. Oh well, let's get on with some Bible reading. Phew. It definitely was a lot easier with the others last week. Tobi doesn't even know where to start. Oh, cool. Here's a group picture. Somebody must have slipped it in. What did they write here? It really was a great camp. God bless you, Melanie. Melanie. Tobi! It's time to leave! Oh no, there went the time for personal devotions. Well, okay, I'll just turn on a bit of worship music, and that will do too. I'll start with my favorite. God loves you just as you are. Don't change a thing. You're a Christian. Just stay just as you are. It's amazing how they come up with these deep thoughts. The songwriting's really rad. Oh, look here. Tobi's favorite preacher just posted a new sermon. 5 easy steps to become a Christian rock star even without opening the Bible. Deep message. This man really seems to know his stuff. Actually, Tobi's marketing professor says the same things. At university, the first thing he does is to share the new video with his super cool Christian friends. And then back from university, it's time to relax. There's always time for a short YouTube video.
2 hours later.
Oops. How did that happen? That literally was the longest 5-minute video that Tobi has ever seen. Before getting on with his studies, Tobi quickly scrolls through the news. Yeah, sure, this website has a few bad pictures around it, but one must stay informed with what's going on in the world. And after all, I can always just click away and... that was a wrong look, and that was a wrong click, and another... I'm such an idiot, thinks to himself. One day back from camp and I've already fallen right back into this stupid trap. My group leader would be really disappointed. And my father probably thinks I'm some kind of psycho. Right then his friend Andy calls. Tobi throws in a few hints about his situation and Andy has some brilliant advice. No, don't be ashamed, bro. Shameless. We're all just humans. Keep on going, man. Think about the 5 steps. And remember, God loves you just as you are. Don't change a thing. You're a Christian. Just stay just as you are. Still quite heavy-hearted and somehow joyless, Tobi puts on his pyjama t-shirt, young and free. Before climbing into bed, Tobi comes up with a new, brilliant approach. The alarm clock should be set for 3:30, and that will be a game changer. So this was a day in the life of Tobi. Really motivated at the beginning, but ended up quite discouraged. Morning devotions didn't really work as planned. Self-discipline wasn't great neither. And then there was this favorite sin. And Tobi finds himself at the bottom of the pit. He thinks he's the worst, His friend's wisdom didn't really help out. And you know exactly what Tobi feels probably, huh? This could have described a day in your life too. Maybe changing some details. But the question is, and the question we want to tackle here is, how could this day have gone differently? What should Tobi have done to really live a full and pleasing life before his Lord? And this question will be answered on Sunday, 8 p.m. Eastern on this channel. Every answer will be given from this book, the Bible. And I'll take you step by step through Tobi's day and examine each detail with care. Okay? So I look forward to do this with you. See you there.